welcome to today's video. Oh my goodness, so I just came out here on the front porch and I just have the sweater on. I think I'm gonna have to get a coat on. It's colder out here than I thought it was. Today we're gonna make over the front porch for Christmas. I thought I'd bring you along, maybe give you guys some ideas that you could do for yours. I'm gonna do a combination of things that I already had and some few DIYs and then a few new things. And so just, nobody wants to buy new stuff for their front porch every year. That would get too expensive. So I have a really cool idea for you guys to do. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Let's just get right to it. Okay, here's the front porch. It's nice and empty, ready to go. I'm gonna go get something. We're gonna get this cleaned up and start getting it decorated. Okay, I had to go get my big coat. Get to look like a big puffy marshmallow, but it's 34 degrees out here right now, so it's a little chilly. We're gonna get this cleaned up. I'm not a sweep kind of girl. I'm gonna really blow this off. What I just found. If you watch my Halloween front porch, you know what this is from. Okay, I want to give you a really cool money saving tip. So a few years ago, I bought these at like a local nursery and they're pretty pricey. And so you're like, wow, I'm only gonna use this one time and then I'm never gonna use it again. But that's not true. So I save it every year because it's got this really pretty birch wood, it's got these ornaments, these cool leaves, nice little sticks that come out the back. But of course the greenery's dead. So every year all I do is I pull out the greenery and I put in fresh greenery. My local nursery right now is having a sale 15 feet of pine for $17. So I got that to help decorate the front porch. And so then I have two of these. I can make both of these over for $17 instead of spending, I don't know, they were probably, I can't remember how much they were, maybe like $65 a piece. And so, ta-da, money saving tip, you can reuse these every year. A lot of good cleaning my front porch did. We're gonna have to do it again. These garlands, they have like all hooked together. You have to like find the wire and get them unhooked. And then you can get really nice pieces out of here. Oh, that's a beauty. Okay, first one is done. Okay, one is done. One to go. I did that out of order, didn't I? Okay, I'm gonna leave those there on each side. So as you're coming up, and then they're also not underneath of the awning, so that way they can get moisture and be watered throughout the winter. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so next up I got a real wreath to match the garland that's gonna go around. And so we're gonna hang that on the door. And to give it a little something, I got a really, oh, it's so soft, because you guys know I love So Soft. It's a cute little bow that we're gonna put on here. Okay, and then I have this cute little black and white welcome sign that I'm gonna hang right here next to my door. And you're gonna start to notice a theme here before long, kind of like I did in different parts of my house. We're gonna do a whole like black and white and like greenery front porch. And so we're gonna add this next. And we'll see if we end up leaving it there. One of the rugs that I'm going to use, I've already used in the years past, and so I want to clean it up a little bit, and so I always use one of these things. I got this from Norix. I I'm brushing it down to get it all cleaned up and freshen it up so it'll look good this year. Okay, next up, I'm gonna add down this rug. I feel like these were super popular. Everybody got them last year at Kirkland's, but you know what? It's still cute and nice, and so I'm gonna use it again. Next up, we're gonna add these awesome little trees that I got from Walmart. First of all, I can't believe these came from Walmart. They were only $16. You know, they needed quite a bit of fluffing, but man, it was exactly what I was wanting. And so I'm gonna put each one of those on each side of the door. Okay, something that drives me crazy about my door is it's not equal distance on each side. Like, it's wider over here than it is over here, so it always drives me crazy because it's hard to like make it look super even, but that's as close as I can get it, but I like it. I am so excited about these. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I found skis in my attic, and so I made them over. I just spray painted them. I took them apart a little bit, and yeah, and so now I think this will be super cute out here. I don't know, I talked about putting words on here, but right now I'm going to start off with no words on there and see if I end up liking it, and we'll just go from there. But this was such a fun find in the attic. I think I'm going to put this here. I'm gonna go get a zip tie. Words or no words, guys? Leave a comments down below. Okay, on this wall, I have this cute, it's just like, you know, old window painting. I'm gonna put this up here. I've had this thing forever, and it's just really fun because you can just, you know, decorate it for different holidays and stuff. And I love just how kind of crappy it looks, just kind of old and rustic. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I bought a cute bow and a little bit of greenery that we're gonna put on there. I didn't want to do another wreath. Sometimes I'll do a wreath, but this time I decided I'm gonna do something different. So since we're doing black and white, I got this cute bow at Michael's. I have a little bit of greenery, and I think I'm just gonna put that back behind with the bow. And we might call it good. We might put some garland around the top of the window, but let's finish getting the rest of the stuff in, and then when we get to the garland, we can make up our minds. This kind of stuff would go a lot easier for me if I probably put it on before I put it on the wall. I do this to myself all the time. I think it's definitely going to need some garland on the top, but we'll come back to it when we get the garland out. Okay, so if you saw my house tour, then you saw that I was making some cute pillows, and so I made a couple for the front porch just to put out here. I'm going to add some more of the buffalo check-in over here so we have more black and white incorporated on this side. These are so cute. This one says there's no place like home, and then 'tis the season to be freezing. I wanted to do winter sayings on them so that way they could stay out here all winter and not just be for Christmas. I have this cute, look at that, walking in a winter wonderland. I'm just gonna set that over here. And I had to put a couple boards in here. I've had this lantern forever. He is seriously beat up, but that's okay because it's outdoors. It doesn't need to be beautiful. Just cute. Okay, just to make this look like filled in around here, we'll see if this is gonna work for me. So I think I'm gonna put this little fluffy stuff. Oh. As I make a huge mess. Really? I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, this definitely doesn't fill this in enough. I've got to think of something else to put in here to kind of tie this together to make it look good. I was gonna do more greenery, but man, this is green. The only way I'm getting away with using this paper stuff is because we're underneath and this doesn't get wet back here. Let me go see what I can find. Okay, let's try gold. See if this works. Oh, we're on to something now. Okay, yeah, I like that. I think that looks cute. Kind of gives a little sparkle out here. I got this adorable sign, and I think instead of putting words on the skis, I'm gonna put this sign up above. We'll see if this looks good.
You're just going to that nail?
Yes, there's my hero come to help me. Okay, I'm pausing for a moment and not hanging that sign right at this moment because I have Jason who is available to help me with this ladder, because this is the real garland that I bought, and it's 15 feet long, and we're gonna hang it up above and down the sides, and so I need help with the ladder because I don't want to die. So we're gonna pause on hanging that sign and hang this up really quick. I like it. I think it looks really cute. This one over here has like a natural curve and keeps wanting to curve up, but that looks good. But I definitely think I'm going to add the greenery in over here. Oh, I always like to make more work for myself. Okay, I like that. I think that looks so much better. Okay, I have these two little lanterns we're gonna hang down up there, and then we're gonna see if there's anything else we need. I love it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is totally what I was wanting. You guys, the ice cream man just went down the road. What in the world? Okay, now I'm gonna hang up the picture. I love how it turned out. This is as if you're walking up to my door. Look how cute those are. I decided not to put garland there because I felt like this side already had enough. I love this side. I love the garland up there. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.